Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and click on Privacy. Then select Permission Manager at the top and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. After that, click on one of your apps, like calendar, and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in, like camera. Then select See All Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!